In this module, you'll learn about third-person pronouns and when the pronouns like he, she, her, hers, his, him, it, and its are used. A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. Pronouns are used to avoid the repetition of nouns in a sentence. You have learnt about the first-person pronouns I, me, my, mine, and myself, and second-person pronouns like you, your, and yours. Here you will learn about third-person pronouns like he, she, her, hers, his, him, it, and its. Third-person pronouns refers to the person being spoken of. Let's take the conversation between two friends, Agnes and Khairuddin, as an example. Do you know Alex? No. Who is Alex? A friend of Mary. Why would I know a friend of Mary? I thought you knew everyone. Well, there's at least one person I don't know. The highlighted words are noun or pronouns that you can change to third-person pronouns. If you change the nouns or pronouns to third person, it'll become, do you know him? No, who's he? A friend of her. Why would I know a friend of hers? I thought you knew everyone. Well, there's at least one person I don't know. He, she, her, hers, his, him, it, and its are third-person pronouns. Pronouns need to agree in gender with the noun they replace, whether male, female, or neuter. He, his, and him are used to refer to boys or males. For example, he's my dad. His name is Victor. He's a doctor. She, hers, and her are used to refer to girls or females. For example, she's my mom. Her name is Maria. She's a teacher. Pronouns used to take the place of an animal or non-living thing are it or its. For example, this crab is orange in color. It has small pincers. Let's take some more examples to learn how pronouns agree in gender with the nouns they replace. His dog is very playful. It was injured when a car knocked into it. His mother is very concerned. She brings the dog to the vet every day. Under her care, it became better each day. Soon it was able to walk on its injured leg. He is very happy that his dog has recovered. The highlighted words are third-person pronouns. Let's summarize. The third-person pronouns are he, his, him, she, her, hers, it, and its. Pronoun takes the place of a noun. It and its are used to refer to animals or non-living things. She, hers, and her are used to refer to girls or females. He, his, and him are used to refer to boys or males. In this module, you have learnt about third-person pronouns and when the pronouns like he, she, her, hers, his, him, it, and its are used.